So the presence of the protective molecule, glutathione, in human blood varies threefold from individual to individual. The oxidized, or basically spent form of glutathione varies up to 80-fold from individual to individual, and scientists don't know the reason for this. My own research shows one potential explanation for this variable might be an unappreciated toxicity derived from pesticide residues in our diet. The type of toxicity we're tracking, glutathione depletion, tends not to directly kill human beings, but it leaves their immune systems extremely vulnerable to subsequent stresses, sort of like the current pandemic, for instance. Recent work by Polonikov from Russia shows correlation between those with depleted glutathione and those with the most severe outcomes from COVID-19 infection. Polonikov himself now heartily recommends dietary supplementation with N-acetylcysteine, also called NAC, to correct basal levels of glutathione present in the liver and the bloodstream with heavier supplementation after symptoms of COVID-19 manifest.